Good morning, it's me Dashama, and we are here in the beautiful Lamongan Island in Bali. And I am excited to share with you and practice with you sun salutations this morning. This is a wonderful way to start your morning, or any part of the day actually. But let's just get right into it. Sun salutations is sort of a warm-up for yoga, but you could just do it as a whole routine in and of itself. Starting at the front of the mat with your feet about hip distance apart, spread your toes, lift your arches, tuck your tailbone down, lengthen your spine. You want to lift the crown of your head towards the sky like a string is pulling you up to lengthen your spine. Pull in your lower belly a little bit, and on your inhale, arms sweep out and up, all the way up above your head to the sky. Interlace your fingers, lengthen as you gently arch back, and then exhale, bow forward. All the way forward into forward bend. Let your neck relax. If you want to shake your head, yes. Shake your head, no. And really let this practice be about your breath this morning. So inhale, lengthen, lift your chest. So your tailbone tilts back and you're lengthening your spine. As you exhale, fold forward again and just step your right foot all the way back into a low lunge. Drop your right knee down and then inhale, arms sweep out and up. Low lunge, radiating your hips forward. You want to have your hips squared to the front of the mat, and the left knee is 90 degrees. As you lengthen the spine, tuck your tailbone under, gently arching back and look up to the sky. If you have any sensitivity in your neck, you could use your hands to support your head here as you look up. And then exhaling, gently release your hands down to the mat. Tuck your right toes under. Step your left foot back into plank position. And for starters, I always like to give people the option, if you want to drop the knees down and then bending the elbows gently, lower your chest and your chin, and then all the way to the floor. And we're going to come into Cobra, which is a little back bend. Inhale, lift the chest. Palms are directly under the shoulders. Shoulders roll down and back as you lift your heart and look up to the sky. So beautiful breath. See if you can move through your practice, staying connected to your breath the whole time. And a little smile on your face will really start the morning out wonderful. And then lifting your hips all the way to the sky, grounding into the heels, lengthen the spine. Spread your fingers nice and wide. Downward facing dog is all about the back of your body. So if you want, bending your left knee, ground through the right heel. Feel the length of that right hamstring, calf muscles, all the way down to the right heel. And then switch. Bend the right knee, root down through the left heel, lengthen the left side. And then both legs straight. Grounding into the palms now, rooting down through the index finger and the thumb. Really rooting through that part of the hand. Wrap your shoulder blades down your back as you lengthen. Let your neck relax, head hanging free. And on your next inhale, step the right foot forward between your hands, drop the left knee down, flip the back toes over, and we're going to do the same thing here, low lunge. Inhale, arms sweep out and up. If it's too much for you, you could always just place your hands on the right knee. If it's even very difficult, you could keep your hands on the ground or on the mat. But if it's available to you, try for low lunge, reaching the arms all the way up, interlace your fingers above you, radiate your hips forward as you lengthen your spine, gently arch back and look up. Nice deep breath, beautiful, open heart and smile. Exhale, palms back to the mat. Step your left foot forward now, back to forward bend. Let your neck relax, head hanging free, hug your legs. Give yourself a nice big hug, some love this morning. And then on your inhale, we're just going to reverse swan dive. Open the arms wide, rise up with a flat back, all the way up. Top of the inhale, arms above the head, and exhale, prayer to the heart center. So sun salutations is really a prayer, and we move with the breath. And it's a morning prayer ritual that's also a great way to open up your body, get the energy flowing. Let's go through another round. Inhale, arms sweep out and up. A little arch back. Exhale, bow forward. Forward bend. Inhale, lengthen, lift the chest. Exhale, Step the right foot back. This time we're going to keep the right knee lifted and come into a high lunge. Inhale, arms sweep out and up. All the way up. The left knee stays 90 degrees. Sink the hips nice and low, so you got to use more strength this time. So if it's too much for you, you can always drop that right knee back down to the floor like this. But otherwise, keep it lifted. Hips squared to the front. Nice long spine. Lengthen. A little arch in your back here. Inhale. And then exhale. Folding forward. Palms to the ground. Left foot steps back. Nice deep breath. You could do the first option, dropping the knees, or if you want to go a little more strength for this round, we'll lower slowly, elbows bending right by your side ribs all the way to your belly. On your inhale, cobra, lift the chest, shoulders roll back. Beautiful open heart. And as you exhale, lower the chest, tuck your toes, press yourself all the way back to downward dog. Hips to the sky, heels to the earth, lengthen the spine, and breathe deeply. On this round, we'll step the right foot just to the center here a little, and then inhale the left leg up to the sky. So this is downward dog splits, or one leg downward dog. And so in kids yoga, when I used to teach kids yoga, we used to call this peeing, downward dog peeing. So if you bend your knee and lift your left knee up to the sky, rooting down to that right heel, beautiful breath, and then left foot down to the ground. Inhale the right leg up to the sky. Nice, beautiful, open inner thighs and hips. Here is what we're working on, the hamstrings even more. And as you exhale, we'll take the right foot all the way forward, step between the hands, stay on the left toes, left knee stays lifted. Inhale, arms sweep out and up. Nice, beautiful breath. Keep the hips squared to the front. Nice long spine, tuck your tailbone under so you get a little bit more length in the spine here. Nice deep breath. And exhale, palms down to the ground. Step the left foot forward and hug your legs forward bend. So every round of sun salutations, you could stick with the first version, or we'll do a few new versions every time so you can really get a little different perspective. Inhale, arms sweep out and up. Exhale, prayer to the heart. Beautiful. Okay, one more round. Inhale, arms sweep out and up. Gently arch back. Exhale, bow forward. Hug your legs. Inhale, lengthen, lift the chest. And right foot steps back this time. Turn your back foot flat, 45 degrees. Left knee stays 90 degrees here. And we're going to come into warrior one. So inhale, arms sweep out and up. So the left knee is 90 degrees. And you traction that left knee forward, hip squared to the front. So you want to draw that left hip back, right hip forward a little bit so you get some more length, a little more alignment. Spine is beautiful, nice and long. Heart open to the sky. Nice big smile on your face. And then exhale, release. Palms down to the ground. Left foot back, plank position. Plank position, your hands are under the shoulders. Lower belly is pulled in. You're nice and strong here. And then you can do either of the first two versions. Drop the knees or lower slowly to your belly. Inhale, cobra, lift the chest. If you want a little more strength here, press into the tops of the feet. Come into up dog. Up dog is more strengthening, requires more flexibility in the spine. Lift the chest, looking a little forward and up. This is called your drishti, where your gaze is, where your attention goes. Your focus follows. Exhale all the way back, downward facing dog. Last round. Inhale, left leg up, grounding into the right heel, lengthen left toes to the sky. Keep pressing the chest back into the right, towards the right thigh. If you want to drop your right elbow down, feel free, so you get a little more length here. And exhale, lower the left foot down. Inhale the right leg up. Same thing here. If you want to drop your left elbow down, you can get even more, a little deeper into it. And then straightening the left elbow, step the right foot forward, all the way forward, coming into warrior one on this side. Last round. Left heel grounded, right knee 90 degrees. Inhale, arms sweep out and up. Reach to the sky. Traction your right knee forward as you pull the right hip slightly back, and you'll feel that lengthening and the alignment of the spine. Nice deep breath here. Exhale, folding forward, palms back to the mat. Feet together now. Hug your legs. Beautiful. Last one. On this last one, really opening the heart. Reverse one dive, rise back to standing. All the way up, reaching to the sky. Inhale, gently arching back. Exhale, prayer to the heart. What a beautiful way to start the morning. So if this is your first time with sun salutations, I highly recommend you do these every morning. It's a very simple, effective, and powerful way to get your energy flowing and to feel amazing for the day. And in this series, I will be showing you in the next couple of videos some options for a little bit more advanced versions so you can take your sun salutations practice to the next level. But in the meantime, enjoy your yoga, stay connected to every single breath, and have a beautiful, miraculous morning. Namaste.